We've spent a lot of time studying different types of protein sources in Scotland, and hemp is an exemplar crop. It has exceptional health benefits, but it is also an environmental champion. It sequesters more CO2 than trees, it remediates land, it grows without inputs such as pesticides and fertiliser. It needs less water and it can be used for a multiple of uses.
We get asked by many farmers about our hemp journey. What attracted us to grow hemp? It's got amazing nutritional value for the seed. The stalks have so many uses. It's a great good soil rejuvenator and it captures carbon while it grows. So there's not really a lot of negatives to do with growing hemp. We need more infrastructure in Scotland to encourage more farmers to get started growing this crop.
So I lead a Scottish government funded project where we look at the best variety of hemp seed that you can grow in Scotland and how we can use hemp to reduce the carbon footprint of our diet and how this will benefit our health. Scott and I had an idea to vermicast the straw from hemp and to transform it in a growing media, and that will solve obviously the problem for the farmers and ultimately give them another product on their farm.
Well, the aim of the project was to develop a purely hemp-based growing media. We looked at, well, could this potentially be an alternative to cocoa coir? So the idea was, through the process of vermiculture, which is using our earthworms to degrade the hemp material, to develop a growing medium through that and to trial the growth of strawberries. So basically, these guys are the star of the show.
And I think the unicity of hemp is hemp can deliver in many aspects. So it delivers in terms of production, deliver in terms of environment, deliver in terms of resilience, deliver in terms of health and nutrition. So it's a truly champion. That's why the Scottish Government fund our research, because we bring true solutions.
Currently there's a significant risk to our food security through soya provision for the poultry sector in Scotland. So working with Duncan Farms, we showed that we could successfully replace soya with hemp and not only produce a net zero egg, but an egg that had a higher nutritional value, being double in omega-3 and double in vitamin E. People in Scotland find it really hard to make healthy food choices because the food environment they live in makes those choices very difficult. But by reformulating baked goods, it's an excellent way to get nutrients into the population. So working with Murdoch Allen, they've reformulated staple baked goods that they will supply to the supermarkets so people will get the benefits but they'll still have an affordable and acceptable product. Our research at the Rowett was really pivotal in building the hemp industry in Scotland. Having identified lots of solutions that hemp can contribute to, we really need to build the sector. We need to build the supply chain and grow more hemp in Scotland.